Okay, so I think a lot of our listeners are probably at least a little curious about personalized tutoring
Mm-hmm.
and how effective it can really be, especially for anyone out there trying to learn English as a second language.
Yeah.
We're actually diving into a fascinating article today from the Gate Academy to kind of get to the bottom of this,
Okay.
see if it lives up to all the hype, you know?
Yeah. Is it really worth the investment?
Is it really worth it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's unpack all of this.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it.
So, I mean, when you think about personalized tutoring, what comes to mind for you?
Well, it's really interesting how personalized tutoring kind of flips the whole traditional classroom setup. It
Yeah.
moves away from that like one size fits all approach,
Right.
and it really zeroes in on the individual student's needs, and that's a really big deal.
Yeah, I mean, even just from this article, I see that the Gate Academy uses a paper session model,
Yeah.
which seems pretty convenient. No rigid schedules or wasted fees for missed classes, that kind of thing.
Yeah, I mean, that flexibility is huge for people.
Yeah.
Removes those obstacles that sometimes keep people from even trying to learn
Yeah.
something new.
Taking that first step.
And I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
One-on-one tutoring
Mm-hmm.
creates such a focused environment.
Mm.
It's like ripe for, really targeted skill development.
Yeah. And the Journal of Educational Psychology, they even found that personalized instruction can accelerate learning by up to 30%.
Wow.
I mean, that's pretty significant.
That is.
So, but is it all about speed?
Right.
Or is there something more to it?
Well, I think it's not just about speed. It's also about depth.
Mm-hmm.
It's about like truly understanding and internalizing the language.
Yeah.
And that's where interactive learning comes in.
Okay, so yeah, I noticed the Gate Academy really emphasizes this interactive approach.
They do.
They have, I think they call it their interactive lesson service or something like that, where
Mm.
they use these real-world scenarios and engaging activities
Right.
to keep students actively involved.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense, right? You wouldn't learn more from actually like having a conversation with a native speaker
Of course.
than you would from just staring at a textbook.
Absolutely. I mean, imagine trying to learn, the nuances of conversation, like the natural flow of language,
Yeah.
just by like reading rules on a page.
Yeah.
It's not the same.
Right.
And, the
Yeah.
Gate Academy uses techniques like role playing to kind of bridge that gap,
Mhm.
get students comfortable with actually speaking and listening,
Yeah.
which is so important. And, their article actually mentioned something pretty interesting,
Oh, yeah.
that interactive learning environments
Mhm.
can lead to a 40% increase in retention rates
Wow.
compared to just passive learning.
Wow.
And this is according to the National Center for Educational Statistics.
That's huge.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
So it's not just learning faster,
Right.
it's actually remembering
Yeah,
what you learned.
exactly.
That's a powerful combination.
It is.
How much of that success do you think comes down to just having someone's undivided attention, though?
Well, personalized attention is definitely key.
Mm-hmm.
Having someone who can identify your strengths and weaknesses,
Mm-hmm.
your learning style,
Yeah.
and then adapt the instruction to fit you.
It's like having a custom-tailored suit, but for your education.
Exactly.
Right.
It's not about trying to fit into some like pre-made mold,
Yeah.
And the Gate Academy really emphasizes this too,
Okay.
by designing their lessons to address these specific needs of each student.
Okay.
They use experienced instructors
Mm-hmm.
who can offer tailored feedback and guidance, and that's pretty important.
Yeah, so I guess let's talk about the elephant in the room.
Okay.
The cost. Personalized tutoring does have this reputation for being a bit pricey.
Yeah, it's true. There's an initial investment involved.
Mm-hmm.
But, think about it this way.
Okay.
Let's say you're currently making, I don't know, $50,000 a year. Okay. The Gate Academy's article cites a report from the Economic Policy Institute
Mm.
that found that fluent English speakers
Yeah.
can earn up to 30% more.
Wow.
That's like a potential extra $15,000 per year.
Yeah.
So suddenly that investment in personalized tutoring
Right.
starts to look a lot more reasonable,
It does.
right?
Yeah.
Especially when you factor in the flexibility of that paper session model we talked about.
Right.
You're not locked into this rigid schedule.
Right.
You can adapt it to your life, only pay for what you need.
Yeah. It's about viewing it as a long-term investment in yourself, in your future earning potential.
Exactly.
What are your initial thoughts on this whole cost-benefit analysis?
Yeah.
Is there anything that makes you hesitant, or
Yeah.
are there concerns that you have about this
Okay, yeah.
when you think about it?
Yeah. I mean,
Okay.
the potential return on investment is definitely compelling.
Mm.
But it does make me wonder if there are any downsides to personalized tutoring that we haven't even considered yet.
Yeah.
Like, what if you invest all this time and money
Mm-hmm.
and it doesn't actually lead to better job prospects?
Yeah.
Or what if you end up with a tutor who's just not a good fit?
Right.
Things like that.
Yeah, those are really valid concerns.
They are.
No investment is completely risk-free.
Exactly.
Right. And so I think
Yeah.
it's really important to kind of look at this article from the Gate Academy and see what they have to say, because they give us some solid points to weigh against those risks, right?
Right. I mean, they talk about the importance of finding a reputable tutor
Mm-hmm.
who is a good match for your learning style.
It's like any relationship.
Yeah.
You need to have that connection, that
Mhm.
rapport for it to really work.
Exactly. And that's where doing your research beforehand
Mm-hmm.
becomes so crucial.
Yeah.
Look at reviews,
Mm-hmm.
talk to other students,
Mm-hmm.
maybe even have a trial session or two before you fully commit. That
Yeah.
could be really helpful.
Yeah. And speaking of finding the right fit, I'm curious about different approaches.
Mhm.
Within personalized tutoring, is it always strictly one-on-one, or are there other models out there?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
While one-on-one is definitely the most common format,
Yeah.
there are some variations.
Okay.
Some tutors offer small group sessions,
Okay.
which can be really beneficial
Yeah.
for practicing conversation skills
Mm-hmm.
in a more dynamic setting.
Yeah, you get that element of real-world interaction,
Exactly.
which we know is so important.
It is.
Thinking about this whole interactive aspect
Mhm.
has really got me thinking.
Yeah.
It's not just about language.
Right.
This whole principle of learning by doing can apply to just about any skill
If it can.
you want to develop, right?
Yeah.
Like playing an instrument or learning to code.
Absolutely. Whether it's music, coding, even public speaking.
Yeah.
These core elements of personalized instruction,
Yeah.
like that individualized attention,
Mm.
targeted feedback, interactive practice,
Yeah.
can be so powerful
Yeah.
for accelerating your learning.
It's like having a partner
Yeah.
in the learning process.
Right.
Someone who can challenge you, motivate you,
Yeah.
help you push past your comfort zone.
Right. Like a coach.
Yeah.
Almost like a mentor in a way.
Yeah, like a mentor.
Yeah.
Someone who's invested in your success
Mm-hmm.
and can provide that tailored support that you might not get
Right.
in a more traditional learning environment.
Exactly. And I think that's a crucial point to remember. It's not just about having an expert like feed you information.
Right.
It's about having someone who can help you develop those skills
Yeah.
and those strategies you need
Mhm.
to become a more independent
Right.
and effective learner.
Yeah. And I think that's so important.
It is.
But so we've talked a lot about the potential benefits of personalized tutoring.
Mm.
But let's be realistic. No approach is perfect.
Yeah.
Are there any potential downsides or drawbacks
Yeah.
that we should be aware of?
That's a great question. And, it's important to consider all sides.
Yeah.
One potential downside is definitely the cost,
Mm-hmm.
which we touched on.
Yeah.
Not everyone has the financial resources
Right.
to invest in private tutoring.
Mm-hmm.
And, while there are ways to mitigate that, like
Mhm.
scholarships or sliding scale fees,
Mm-hmm.
it's still a barrier for some.
Yeah, that's true.
And I think also finding the right tutor is crucial.
Mm-hmm.
It's not as simple as just,
Making a name out of a hat.
yeah, picking a name out of a hat, exactly.
Yeah.
Finding a tutor who's not only knowledgeable,
Right.
but also a good fit
Yeah.
in terms of their teaching style and personality
Their personality, for sure.
is absolutely key.
Yeah, and there might be some limitations in terms of access, depending on where you live.
Right.
The availability of qualified tutors.
Yeah, that's true.
So personalized tutoring seems like it can be this really powerful tool
It can.
for language learning, but are there other options out there for interactive learning,
Oh, yeah,
especially for ESL students?
definitely.
What are your thoughts on that?
Well, there are always language exchange programs
Mm-hmm.
where you can connect with native speakers
Yep.
online or in person.
Mm-hmm.
There are tons of online language learning platforms now
Oh, yeah.
that offer interactive exercises
Yeah.
and even virtual classes.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, there's nothing quite like immersing yourself in the culture
Yeah.
by traveling to a country where the language is spoken.
Right. Yeah. And it's funny. This whole conversation
Yeah.
reminds me of when I was learning Spanish.
Well,
I struggled for ages,
Mhm.
bouncing between textbooks and apps,
yeah.
until I finally decided to try a tutor.
Okay.
And it was like a light bulb went off.
Interesting.
Having someone who could tailor the lessons to my specific needs and actually hold me accountable made a world of difference.
It's amazing how the right approach can just unlock that potential,
It is.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Like having a personal guide,
Yeah.
to navigate those tricky parts of the language
Yeah.
and help you build confidence along the way.
Yeah. I mean, so for our listener out there who's considering personalized tutoring
Mm-hmm.
for learning English as a second language,
Right.
what's the key takeaway here?
Okay, so based on this article from the Gate Academy,
Mm-hmm.
it seems like personalized tutoring can be a really worthwhile investment,
Okay.
especially for those who value flexibility,
Mm-hmm.
individualized attention,
Yeah.
and those interactive learning methods we talked about.
Yeah.
I mean, the potential for accelerated learning and increased earning potential
Right.
is definitely there.
It is. It's compelling.
It is compelling.
But like any investment, it's crucial to do your research.
Absolutely.
Weigh the pros and cons.
Yes.
Find a reputable tutor who's a good fit for you.
Exactly. It's about going in with those realistic expectations
Right.
and a clear understanding of what you want to achieve.
Yeah.
And remember, even with personalized tutoring, your success ultimately hinges on your own effort
Mm-hmm.
and dedication.
Yeah.
It's a partnership, not a magic bullet.
It's a partnership, not a magic bullet. Yeah. And so before we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave our listener with one final thought.
Okay.
We've explored the potential benefits of personalized tutoring in depth,
We have.
but what about the flip side?
Right.
What potential challenges or drawbacks haven't we discussed?
Mm-hmm.
Could there be situations where a different approach to language learning
Mhm.
might be more effective
Right.
or even preferable?
Yeah.
That's something to ponder
It is.
as you continue your language learning journey.
It is. Those are really valid concerns. I mean,
Right.
it's true. No investment is completely risk-free, right?
Yeah.
But I think this article from the Gate Academy does give us some solid points to weigh against those risks.
Okay.
For example, they talk about the importance of finding a reputable tutor who's a good match for your learning style.
It's like any relationship, right?
Yeah.
And you need to have that connection, that rapport
Right.
for it to really work.
Exactly. And that's where doing your research beforehand becomes crucial.
Yeah.
Look at reviews,
Mm.
talk to other students, maybe even have a trial session
Yeah.
before you fully commit.
Yeah.
That could be really helpful.
Speaking of finding the right fit, I'm
Yeah.
curious about different approaches within personalized tutoring.
Mm-hmm.
Is it always strictly one-on-one,
Okay.
or are there other models out there?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
So while one-on-one is definitely the most common format,
Yeah.
there are some variations.
Okay.
Some tutors offer small group sessions,
Okay.
which can be really beneficial for practicing conversation skills
Yeah.
in a more dynamic setting.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
It brings in that element of real-world interaction,
Exactly.
which we know is so important.
It is.
And, thinking about this interactive aspect just really got me thinking.
Yeah.
It's not just about language.
Right.
This principle of learning by doing
Yeah,
can apply to just about any skill you want to develop,
it can.
right?
Yeah.
You mean like playing an instrument
Uh-huh.
or learning to code?
Exactly. Whether it's music coding, even public speaking.
Yeah.
Those core elements of personalized instruction, that individualized attention, the targeted feedback, the interactive practice
Yeah.
can be incredibly powerful for accelerating your learning.
Yeah, it's like having a partner in the learning process.
Yeah.
Someone who can challenge you, motivate you,
Well.
help you push past your comfort zone.
Right. Like a coach.
Yeah.
Almost like a mentor in a way.
Yeah, like a mentor.
Yeah.
Someone who's invested in your success
Mm-hmm.
and can provide that tailored support that you might not get in a more traditional learning environment.
Exactly. And I think that's a crucial point to remember.
Yeah.
It's not just about having an expert feed you information.
Right.
It's about having someone who can help you develop the skills and strategies
Yeah.
that you need to
Yeah.
become a more independent and effective learner.
So we've talked a lot about the potential benefits of personalized tutoring.
We have.
But let's be realistic. No approach is perfect.
True.
Are there any potential downsides or drawbacks that we should be aware of?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
And it's important to consider all sides of the coin.
Yeah.
One potential downside could be the cost,
Mm-hmm.
which we already touched on.
Yeah.
Not everyone has the financial resources to invest in private tutoring.
Right.
And while there are ways to mitigate this, like scholarships or sliding scale fees,
Mm-hmm.
it's still a barrier for some.
Yeah, that's true. And I guess finding the right tutor is also crucial.
Mhm.
It's not as simple as just picking a name out of a hat.
Exactly. Finding
Yeah.
a tutor who is not only knowledgeable, but also a good fit in terms of teaching style and personality
Your personality for sure.
is absolutely key.
Yeah, and there might be limitations in terms of access, too,
Right.
depending on where you live
Hmm.
and the availability of qualified tutors in your area.
Yeah, that's true.
So personalized tutoring seems like a powerful tool for language learning.
It can be.
But are there other options out there
Oh, yeah,
for interactive learning, especially for ESL students?
definitely.
What are your thoughts on that?
Well, you always have those language exchange programs
Mm-hmm.
where you can connect with native speakers
Yeah,
online or even in person.
yeah.
There are tons of online language learning platforms now, too,
Oh, yeah.
that offer interactive exercises and even virtual classes.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, there's nothing quite like immersing yourself in the culture,
Yeah.
traveling to a country where the language is spoken.
Right. Yeah. And it's funny. This whole conversation reminds me of when I was learning Spanish.
Right?
I struggled for ages just bouncing between textbooks and apps
Mm-hmm.
until I finally decided to try a tutor.
Sure.
And it was like a light bulb went off.
Interesting.
Having someone who could tailor the lessons to my specific needs and actually hold me accountable
Right.
made a world of difference.
It's amazing how the right approach can just unlock that potential,
Yeah.
isn't it? It's like having a personal guide
Yeah.
to navigate those tricky parts of the language
Yeah.
and help you build confidence along the way.
So for our listeners out there who are considering personalized tutoring for learning English as a second language,
So,
what's the key takeaway here?
well, based on this article from the Gate Academy,
Yeah.
it seems like personalized tutoring can be a really worthwhile investment,
Mm-hmm.
especially for those who value that flexibility, that individualized attention,
Yeah.
and those interactive learning methods that we talked about.
Yeah.
The potential for accelerated learning and increased earning potential
Mhm.
is definitely there.
Right. It's compelling.
Yeah, it's compelling.
But like any investment, it's important to do your research.
Absolutely.
Weigh the pros and cons.
Yes.
Find a reputable tutor who is a good fit for you.
Exactly.
Right? Go in with those realistic expectations and a clear understanding of what you want to achieve.
Yeah.
And remember, even with personalized tutoring, your success ultimately hinges on your own effort and dedication.
It's a partnership, not a magic bullet.
It's a partnership, not a magic bullet.
Exactly.
Well, that's all the time we have for today's deep dive into personalized tutoring.
Okay.
We hope this has given you some valuable insights to consider on your own language learning journey.
Yeah.
Be sure to check out the Gate Academy's article for even more in-depth information. And until next time, happy learning!